The Mapsa District Hospital has time and again come into the headlines for a lot of reasons that aren't particularly good. From CT scan machines to security issues to even doctors not being available when needed. These are just some of the issues that have come up here at the North Goa District Hospital. Now with me is Nitiksha Gaonkar, our reporter who has been covering this area for quite a few months and years now. Let's try and understand what is it that's actually happening in the hospital right behind me. Nitiksha, सध्या exactly issue कितें आसा ह्या हॉस्पिटलान?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल जे आसा म्हापशेचे हे सगळ्यां खातीर म्हणजे जे बार्देश वाठारान कोण रावता पळय त्या सगळ्यांक हे मेन अशें आमचें म्हापशेचें डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. बट सद्या आमी लोकां कडल्यानूय आयकलां आनी आमकांय जे इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळां बिकॉज हा ऑलरेडी चडश्यो आमी बातम्यो केल्ल्यो आसा ह्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाचेर. आनी कितें जालां की हांगा खुबशे म्हणजे गैरसोयी आसात. मेन म्हणजे आमी सिनियर सिटिजनां कडल्यानूच स्टार्ट करया. हांगा जी फार्मसी आसा पळय ह्या हॉस्पिटलांत मेन जी एज पर टायमींग जी आसा ही 4 बंद जाता आणि त्याच्या उपरांत जे कोण आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन पेशंट चॅकअपाक येता तांकां कितें प्रॉब्लम जाता की तांकां दुसऱ्या दिसाची डेट घालून दिता की दुसऱ्या दिसा येया आनी तुमचें मेडिसीन तुमी कलेक्ट करा. सो तांकां खुबसो प्रॉब्लम जाता ह्या खातीर. सो त्या खातीर जो पयलीं टायमींग कसो आशिल्लो 7 मेरेन आशिल्लो पण आतां कितें जाला टायमींग 4 मेरेनूच केला आनी सिनियर सिटीजनांक खुबशे प्रॉब्लम ह्या खातीर फेस करचे पडटा बिकॉज बार्देश म्हणटा ऑलमोस्ट खुबशे एरियाज कवर जाता ह्या वाटेन. सो तांकां दुसऱ्या दिसा येवपाक कांय लोकांक पॉसिबल ना. चड मेन म्हणजे मेडिसीन अवेलेबल आसना तो एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लम आसा आनी ह्या खातीर अशी शॉर्टेज आशिल्ल्या कारणान येदे व्हडल्या हॉस्पिटलान जर मेडिसीन अवेलेबल ना जाल्यार फायदो कितें बिकॉज हे जे हॉस्पिटल आसा हे आमकां पब्लिका खातीर आसा आनी जेका कोणाक जायना ते मुद्दम हांगा लोक येता चॅकअपा खातीर आनी तांकां जर मेडिसिनूच अवेलेबल मेळना जाल्यार आमकां ह्या हॉस्पिटलाचो मेडिकल जी भितर आसा पळय फार्मासी कितें फायदो. भायर तांकां लोकांक जर समज त्या खातीरूच मेडिसीन जर मेळना दुसऱ्या दिसा घेवचें पडटा जाल्यार तांकां भायरूच प्रायवेटानूच गेल्ले बरें न्ही. हॉस्पिटल आसून आमकां कांय फायदो ना. सो ही एक मेजर असो इशू आसा ह्याचेर मेन एक लक्ष दिवपाची सद्या तरी गरज आसा.
Now, another issue that has come to light in the recent past few days is the CT scan machine not working here. Now, through our sources, we found out that the CT machine here at the district hospital is not functional, and the hospital has a tie-up with a private laboratory close by. Now, the issue here is if you need the CT scan done, you have to go with your own personal vehicle to the private lab, get your CT scan done there, and revert back to the hospital. Now again, it's astonishing to even fathom what exactly is the situation of a patient who is in pain, who needs the scan done, has to go out all by himself. Now if he does not have his personal vehicle, that's an entire other issue, because the state is already seeing a lack of ambulances. A lot of people are waiting for half an hour, 1 hour for an ambulance to come, and this is an issue even in Mapsa. We've seen over accidents where we have not seen ambulances reach on time. नितीक्षा, आता CT स्कॅनाची एक गजाल झाली. आता डॉक्टर्स जे असता ऑन ड्युटी तुझ्या माहिती प्रमाणे डॉक्टर्स हांगा आसता सारखे टायम टू टायम मेळटा रातचे जेन्ना वेळार म्हणल्यार क्रिटिकल केअरा टायमार बीन सिनियर डॉक्टर्स बीन आसता तुज्या प्रमाणे तुज्या सोर्सिसा प्रमाणे?
डॉक्टरांचे उलोवपाक गेल्यार हांसपाक येता कित्याक तर म्हणशी एकाक दिसता तांचो लंच टायम ताच्या पयलीं 12:30 हांगा डॉक्टर तुमकां दिश्टीच पडचे ना हॉस्पिटलान आणि रातच्या टायमार जर रातचे एक्चुअली 3 डॉक्टर अवेलेबल आसपाक जाय. एक्चुअली एकूच डॉक्टर अवेलेबल आसता ताणी आपल्या जो तेजो जागो आसा थंय ताणी बसपाक जाय. हांगा रातची लायन लागलेली आसता. तुमी रातचे वेळार येयल्यार तुमकां सारकें एक्झॅक्ट डिटेल कळटलें कित्याक आतां सद्या भितर कॅमेरा अलावड करूंक ना कित्याक हेंची चोरयेपण आमकां कळटली न्ही की डॉक्टर अवेलेबल आसता की ना. सो रातच्या टायमार कितें आसता डॉक्टर अवेलेबल नासतात. बाकीच्यांक कोणाक विचारलें स्टाफाक नर्सीक ना वयर आसा म्हणटा. तो वयर खरोच आसा की तो त्या जाग्यार ना का घरा कडेन वचून न्हिदला आमकां कोणाक खबर ना न्ही. सो खंय तरी डॉक्टर हे टायम टू टायम आसपाक जाय कित्याक हांगा थोड्या लोकांक कितें आसता सद्या गोंयान आमी पळोवपाक शकता की थोड्यां कडेन जायना. जे लोक हांगा मुद्दम जे आमच्या सरकारान हॉस्पिटल जे लोकांक खातीर काडलेले मुद्दम चॅकअपा खातीर येता सो तांकां ते सुविधांचो कांयच फायदो जाल्लो मेळना. सो अशा वेळार जे डॉक्टर आसा भलायकी मंत्र्यान हांगा मुद्दम एक विजीट करची. फाटीं तांच्यांनी GMCन केल्ली. हांव म्हणटा दिसाची नाका ना कोणाकूच सांगनाका सरप्रायज विजीट रातच्या 1 नाल्यार 2 येवन करचें तेन्ना कळटलें की डॉक्टर खरेंच अवेलेबल आसा स्टाफ आसा नर्सीस अवेलेबल आसा त्या टायमार तांकां कळटलें. सो तांच्यांनी एक म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा तांकां की मुद्दम येवचें आनी हांगा एक सरप्रायज विजीट तांच्यांनी करची तेन्ना कळटलें की कोण काम करता डॉक्टर अवेलेबल आसा की ना.
Now another issue here again is concerning tests. Now sonography and ultrasound in the night is very hard to get done. According to my sources here at the hospital, there are no senior doctors managing this, and in some cases there is no doctor at all to perform ultrasound and sonography. So now if this is the situation where if you are here critically needing a test to be done, if you are unfortunately needing it at night, you may not get it here at the North Goa District Hospital. Remember, this is a district hospital. This is only second to the GMC here in the state. Now we've heard a lot of complaints that GMC is overloaded. A lot of patients are coming, they are struggling to cope with the patients. The reason is quite evident. If these hospitals can't maintain these, take care of patients, their obvious option is to go to GMC. Where else are they supposed to go? Now again, if these doctors are not there when needed, if the government is not being able to staff, questions need to be asked to the health minister, who has said that yes, we are recruiting, but it does not seem that it's reflecting here on the ground. Another issue, like my colleague here said, is that cameras are no longer allowed inside. Fair enough, patient confidentiality is important. But this is now leading to lapses that we cannot cover. We cannot show this to you. We cannot find out by taking the camera in there and showing that doctors may not be there, CT scans are not working there. We are only coming to know of this when patients are suffering. It is rather a cure rather than a preventive measure. सो अगेन नितीक्षा, आनी कितें गजाल आसा ह्या हॉस्पिटलान जी घडटा जी तुमकां अशें म्हणल्यार म्हायती प्रमाणे कळ्ळां?
ह्या हॉस्पिटलान एकूच मेन जाय तें म्हटल्यार सिटी स्कॅन मशीन. कित्याक तर ताची मेन गरज आसा, कारण खुबशे लोक येता तांकां सिटी स्कॅना खातीर GMCन ते प्रिफर करता, पण थोड्या लोकां कडेन पॉसिबल ना ते GMCन वचपाक. सो आमी कितलेशेच फावटी न्यूज केली, आजून सुद्दां ते रिपेर ना. सुमार 3 वर्सां जाली सिटी स्कॅन मशीन हांगा चलना. तेची अत्यंत गरज आसा, पूण आजून सुद्दां ताचेर कांयच तोडगो म्हणटा तो आजून जाल्लो ना. हाचेर भलायकी मंत्र्यान लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आसा. तशेंच हांगा बाकीचे इको म्हण आनीक जे कसले ट्रिटमेंट आसता पळय, तेय सद्या कितें आसा, डॉक्टर तांकां डेट बरोवन दिता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इको करपाचें आसा, तांकां 10 दिसांनी डेट दिता, 15 दिसांनी डेट दिता. म्हणजे एका मनशाक स्वताचें जर फूल ट्रिटमेंट फूल चॅकअप जर करपाक जाय जाल्यार तो 2 म्हयने आडोनूच उरलो थंय. डेटीचेर डेट, समज दुसरी डेट दिली ताकाय लायनी आसता. सो हेच्या खातीर खंय तरी हे जे सबसिडी आसा पळय ते डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, तुमी म्हाज्या फाटल्यान पळयता, हे फक्त दिसतात डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल कशें, पूण ते कांयच ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान. ज्यो सुविधा आसपाक जाय पळय, जे लोकांक ताचो फायदो जावपाक जाय, ताचो कांयच जायना. सो कितलेशेच लोकल्स आमकां सांगता, बाय आमी जेन्ना गेल्ले पळय, आमकां सिटी स्कॅनाक हांगा धाडले, आपले कडेन जायना. पूण अशा लोकांनी कितें करचें? हे जर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल GMC व्हडलें आहा ताच्या फाटल्यान हें, बिकॉज बार्देशकाराक आनी खंय लागीं अशें हॉस्पिटल ना, हें मेन अशें डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. सो हाचेर भलायकी मंत्र्यान जाता तितले बेगीन लक्ष दिवंक जाय. फक्त इन्स्पेक्शनां येवन केली म्हणून जायना, फक्त पळोवणी येवन केली म्हणून जायना, ताचेर खंय तरी लक्ष दिवपाक जाय आनी बेगीच्या बेगीन हाचेर सुटावो काडपाक जाय.
Now another thing that we found out here is that there is no radio HOD over here. Their entire head of department is missing from the hospital. So again, it begs to question what sort of management is happening here at the hospital. Again, like my colleague said, this is the second highest level of care that you can get here in the state. And if this is the state of a district hospital, imagine the PHCs and the urban health centers. We also heard reports that urban health center in Panjim is lacking vaccines. So what exactly are we heading towards? We've had a good reputation with health, but it seems to be dwindling over the past few months. And this is something that the government needs to take or pay attention to. Now another thing we've seen at this hospital here are security lapses. Now if you've been to any government hospital, you must have seen the security guards wearing that green and dark pants here at any hospital rather. But the question here is, what were the security guys doing when the incident at the Asilo hospital happened, where a patient had become unruly and a little bit violent, and in the videos people were just sitting and staring. There was no security guards who were coming to kind of restrain him until the cops had to be called in. So what is the point of the security guards, which are in huge numbers at all these hospitals? They are present at every door, every lift, every entrance. They are there, and but when the situation actually arises for their need, they don't seem to be anywhere when required. Also, another complaint that we've got from a lot of patients is that the unruly behavior of these security guards towards them. They are yelled at, they are demeaned, they are told that थंय बसा तुम्ही उगी, तुम्ही कित्याक बोवाळ करता, or तुमकां कळना हांगा कशें रावपाचें बीन and all. Now remember, these are patients. They are seeking health care. They are not come here for any favors. No one is doing any favor to any patient over here. It is their right. Healthcare is a right. It is something that is provided by the government. It does not mean that they are demeaned for the use of this healthcare. Now, apart from this, the hospital has a morgue. Now, नितीक्षा सध्या त्या मॉर्गाचो इशू कितें आसा? कितें मॉर्ग चलता चलना, कितें इन्स्पेक्शन जाला, कशें कितें सिट्युएशन आसा हांगा?
जे मॉर्ग आसा म्हापसा हांगा एक फाटी तेंचे चलताले बट फाटी जे आमचे कलंगूटचे आमदार आसा मायकल लोबो तशेंच म्हापशेचे आमदार आसा जोशुआ डिसोजा हांच्यांनी फाटी इन्स्पेक्शन केले की जे आतां सद्या मॉर्ग आसा ते वाडयतले सो सद्या तांचे इन्स्पेक्शन जाले उपरांत हाचेर ते फुडें हें आसा बांदकाम ते चालू करतले अशें तांच्यांनी सांगलां बट जेन्ना तूं सिक्युरिटी गार्डांचें म्हटलें हांगा सद्या शॉर्टेज आसा सिक्युरिटी गार्डांची हांगा आनी सेक्युरिटी गार्ड जे आसा वाडोवपाची गरज आसा बिकॉज हे हॉस्पिटल जे आसा व्हडलें हॉस्पिटल जे आसा पळय स्टाफ ते सद्या खूबच कमी आसा सो सेक्युरिटी गार्ड वाडपाक जाय तशेंच आनी मेन म्हणटा ते एम्ब्युलन्स कशें आसता जेन्ना हांगा खंय फाटी एक गणेशपुरी हांगा एक्सिडंट जालो आनी 108 कॉल केलो ऑलमोस्ट 45 मिनिट्स 108 लेट आशिल्ली की लेट पावता कित्याक कारण जो 108 व्हेहिकल आसा ही एमर्जन्सी व्हेहिकल ही टायमार पावपाक जाय कारण ही काडल्याच ह्या खातीर की खंय एक्सिडंट जालो की टायमार पावना जाल्यार तो आमकां यूज काय ना सो जी एम्ब्युलन्स आसा 108 ह्यो खंय तरी उणी आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता ह्या हॉस्पिटलान सो हेचेर सुद्दां खंय तरी लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आसा.
Now, moving back inside the hospital here, another issue is the X-rays. Now, according to the sources here at the hospital, there is no dedicated mainstream X-ray machine. Rather, portable X-ray machines are being used to conduct regular X-rays. Now, these portable X-ray machines are meant to be taken to wards for minor, scans. But now they are the sole equipment that is being relied upon for X-rays here at the hospital. So again, it comes to question what sort of infra is the government providing the citizens of the state? Is this the level of healthcare that we were promised? Is this the level of standard of care that the citizens were assured? Now, obviously, elections are around the corner and promises and assurances will come again, most definitely. But on ground, the situation seems very grim. Remember, if you have money, most people will go to a private hospital. There's a reason why people go to a private hospital. If government hospitals were what they were promised, there would never be a requirement or a need for a private hospital. We've seen in many cases where VIP culture is being flaunted, where if you have contacts, you can make a phone call, you can get the best service possible. And also we've seen that there are cases where now you have waiting lists for a lot of scans. We've had one of my colleagues go in and try and find out where waiting lists are put up for scans, and when asked how long would it take if I wanted to get a scan, we've got replies as, if you want I can maybe try and help you out some way. Now you interpret what you want to infer from this response from one of the staff here at the hospital. Well, this is just a situation at the North Goa District Hospital. What happens at PHCs, CHCs and the South Goa District Hospital is something that we will come to you and show what exactly is the ground reality of the healthcare here in the state.